Hi, I am Dr. Parminder Chaman. You're most welcome to my clinic, Panache, the Aesthetic Clinic. We have recently shifted from Sector 19B, where my branch was earlier, to this sector, Sector 8C, with an advanced and more equipped setup. Here we are providing all the latest aesthetic treatments related to lasers, anti-aging, Botoxin fillers, thread lifts, laser toning, pico lasers, body laser hair removal, face laser hair removal, microneedling, scar treatments, CO2 fractional laser and RF microneedling laser as well. So I'm proudly announcing the launch of my new setup over there, and I'll be taking you to the tour of my clinic, Panache. When it comes to the face rejuvenation, pigmentation, laser hair removal, the ideal is still the gold standard for all these things. The rejuvenation of photofacial gives you no other laser can give. You may require some sessions for this thing, but this gives you excellent results. My next laser is the Pico laser. Pico laser is the new kid on the block, and it is excellent for open pores, fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation disorders for the patient as well as tattoo removals. We get faster results from this thing. The another laser, the non-ablative laser or non-invasive laser for face tightening, the HIFU laser. When we give HIFU laser, the amount of fillers required by you decrease significantly. It causes skin tightening as well as the face lifting without any downtime or without any pain. We have large scale of medifacials along with these lasers. We do offer Botox and fillers for wrinkles as well as folds and sagging skin. If you want to get rid of your double chin and you do not want any injections, go for HIFU. The oxygenomedifacial is for the ones who want to take care of the pigmentation as well as they want a rejuvenation as well as little bit tightening on their face.
4 years and counting with Dr. Parminder Chaman. I came with PCOS related skin issues like facial hair and acne. And when I came here, honestly, I was not in the right state of mind because of my skin health. Working with Dr. Parminder has not only transformed my skin's health, but also she's provided me guidance and support on days when my mind mostly needed it. The staff truly here is very helpful, and Dr. Parminder's patience and expertise is truly commendable.
When it comes to the skin treatment and skin care, we have to keep in mind the people who can take mediocre treatments and people who can take high-end treatments. We are offering both in our clinic. The scar treatment, we offer RF microneedling as well as the CO2 fractional laser. CO2 fractional laser also causes rejuvenation of your skin, scar treatment as well as open pore treatments, and takes care of the wrinkle as well. If somebody is looking for treatment of stress urinary incontinence or vaginal tightening, this is the laser for vaginal tightening. The RF microneedling not only takes care of the scars as well as it is causing skin tightening as well. Some skin polishing treatments as well as the skin particle rejuvenation systems taking care of the skin moles, skin tags, DPN on their face, we do offer such treatments also in our clinic. Apart from these, we are also giving peels treatment, peels for the skin glow as well as the chemical peeling for the scar treatment in our clinic, and treatment of pigmentation as well.
मेरा नाम शिफाली है। मेरे को 2 इयर्स बैक स्किन रिलेटेड काफ़ी इशू आए थे, तो मेरे को मेरी फ्रेंड ने रिकमेंड किया पनाश क्लिनिक, तो मैं डॉक्टर परमिंदर मैम के पास आई। उन्होंने मेरी स्किन का इतना अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट किया, मेरे को बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा अभी 2 इयर्स बैक, और अभी मेरी स्किन में बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर हो गया मेरी स्किन। तो अभी भी मैं कंटिन्यू मैम से ट्रीटमेंट ली हूँ। डॉक्टर परमिंदर मैम इज़ अ बेस्ट डॉक्टर इन द चंडीगढ़। तो मैं सबको ये बोलूँगी कि चंडीगढ़ में सबसे बेस्ट क्लिनिक है पनाश क्लिनिक। किसी को भी स्किन रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई इशू है, तो वो ज़रूर डॉक्टर परमिंदर मैम के पास विजिट करें। पनाश क्लिनिक, सेक्टर 8C, चंडीगढ़, STU 2425।
As I told you earlier, just Medifacials can give you that kind of skin glow as well as the skin care which no other product or salon treatment can give you. We do offer hydrofacials, we do offer electroporation in our clinic. We do laser tonings as well. These lasers are done through pico lasers as well as Nd:YAG Q-switch lasers. The hydrofacial is the most popular one in our clinic, as well as the Hollywood facial, which is my own customized Medifacial, is a very popular treatment in our clinic. We also use a triple wavelength laser for hair removal. This laser is the combination of alexandrite, Nd:YAG as well as the diode laser. It comes out to be a entirely painless laser which is going to give you longer lasting results, and it causes thinning of hair painlessly like no other laser.